All right, everybody, this is a break 5, and they're just getting better. I mean, literally every break has been better than the last, and the first one was pretty nice. The first one was pretty nice. We had a Randy Johnson auto to 10 in the first break, and they've gotten better as we've gone along. All right, we've got 2010 MLB All-Stars. So that could be trash cans. There could be some trash cans in there. That's pretty cool. When I worked at a bowling alley, the bumpers were inflatable. You put this long tube down the lane, and then you inflated it, and that's how you got bumpers when I worked at a bowling alley. Chicago White Sox, Jared Kelly to 75. Nice card. 57 of 75. Palindromic eBay, 1 of 1. That is a nice hit. That is very nice. To join the breaks, there's a link in the description that shows you how to join breaks. Mackenzie Gore, Padres. Sixto Sanchez. Seth Beer. That's right. When Moby Dick was a minnow. That is for sure. Andy Rodriguez. Joe Adele. Garrett Crochet. Adley to 99. Adley Rushman. Jordan Groshans. Nice card. Dylan Carlson. Acosta. Nice card. Blaze Jordan. It wasn't 50, by the way. Marcus Smith to 100. Marcus Smith. Nice card. For the Rangers. Who has the Rangers? Chad. Nice hit, Chad. Jaron Duran. Emerson Hancock. Ed Howard. Torque, Dominguez, and Cassis. Back-to-back Red Sox color. TA7. All right, 2 mega packs. Tristan Cassis, Wander Franco, Jeremy De La Rosa, Bobby Dalbec. So nothing crazy out of the megas, but 2010s All-Stars. This one feels kind of heavy. It doesn't really, I mean, heavy doesn't always mean better. You know, you can hit a thin card and it can be the best card. But this one's definitely heavy. What we got here? What do we got here? Wow. That's a bat knob, ladies and gentlemen. Francisco Lindor bat knob for the Mets. No, I lied. That is the Indians. Yeah. Sorry. Cleveland Indians. Brianna's dad. What? That is amazing. I told you each break's getting better. What's up, bro? Just clearing your throat? Man, that's a great hit. Holy cow. Huh? First one this year. Nice. You don't want to come in here. It's too much heat in here, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna stay right here at the door. Too much heat, bro. I'm gonna write this out right now so that my staff cannot mess it up. Ooh, that is a nice card. That is a nice card. Haven't had much chance to use these stickers lately, but I think this is a good time to break them out. They don't stick very well. There we go. Tough to mess that one up, right? They'll probably still try. Marcus Smith, Indy Rodriguez, Jared Kelly. It's a nice card. Duran, Cassis, Seth Beer, and Adley. That's a great break. Great break. Saving your video. If my screen comes back up. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit that bell for notifications. If you enjoyed what you watched, smash the like button. And if you're looking for a great group break, remember.
Oh my
He's
gosh.
been breaking for 10 years straight.
That's my crap.
Who knows what he'll pull today? Cheap fun breaks is the big league way.
This has been a production of CFB TV.